Hey there, business owners. Today I want to talk about a crucial aspect of property maintenance that often gets overlooked: rooftop pressure washing. Keeping your rooftop clean isn't just about appearances. It can extend your roof's lifespan, prevent costly repairs, and boost your business's curb appeal. First off, let's discuss the benefits of regular rooftop cleaning. By keeping your roof free of debris, moss, and algae, you reduce the risk of structural issues and expensive repairs down the line. Plus, a clean roof contributes to a professional, well-maintained look for your business. Now, when it comes to techniques, it's essential to match the method to your roof type. For delicate materials like asphalt, shingles, tiles, and slates, a soft wash is your best bet. This involves using low-pressure and eco-friendly detergents to gently clean without causing damage. On the other hand, if you have a more durable surface like metal or concrete, a pressure wash with calibrated pressure can do wonders. Remember, the key is to use the right amount of pressure to clean effectively without harming the material. Speaking of eco-friendly solutions, it's a win-win for your business and the environment. Opt for biodegradable detergents that effectively remove moss, algae, and debris while minimizing environmental impact. Safety is paramount. Always assess the stability of your roof before starting, and make sure to wear personal protective equipment like goggles and non-slip footwear. Setting up barriers and checking the weather conditions can also prevent accidents. For significant roof damage or persistent stains, consulting professionals is a smart move. Experts have the equipment and expertise to ensure safe cleaning and long-term roof integrity. In summary, maintaining a clean roof involves scheduling routine maintenance, using the right techniques and equipment, and considering eco-friendly solutions. By doing so, you'll not only extend the life of your roof, but also maintain a professional image that instills customer trust. So get started on mastering rooftop pressure washing today and keep your business in top shape. Thanks for watching.